ring, I got a real simple drill for you, something that's really easy to set up. I call it the soda can drill. You can also call it the energy drink drill, whatever you want. And all you need is an empty drink beverage, something along this line, and a roll of tape. What you do is you take a Sharpie on a target like this. You're gonna make a circle with a Sharpie right around the smaller object. This is your 0 ring, or -0. If you've got shots in here, it's gonna be -0. All right, now I'm gonna use the bigger roll of tape, and I'm gonna put it around that. That's my -1 ring. And the way it works is, I'm gonna shoot a drill here in a minute, I'll explain it to you. It's everything's in this inner circle or touching the inner circle, it's -0. All right, so a perfect score would be -0. Anything in this ring is -1. Anything outside of this ring is -3 per shot, and then any misses is -5. All right, now what's the drill? You can do any number of drills that you want and use this as your scoring ring, any number of drills. What I'm gonna do is go back to 5 yards, and I'm gonna do 3 rounds slow fire weak hand, 3 rounds slow fire strong hand, and 3 rounds slow fire 2 hands. And then we'll come up and score it. Like I said, remember, this is your target. You can do any number of drills at different distances. All right, here we go. We turn this around. All right, I'm gonna back to my 5 yard line here. All right, so first up, weak hand, 3 shots. Now strong hand. Now 2 hands. All right, now we'll go down and check it out. Okay. There's my 9 shots. I'm down 0 here. So all my shots are in the 0 ring or touching the 0 ring, so I'm -0. Remember, if I'd had 1 out here, it's -1. If I'd had 1 out here, it's -3. If I'd had a miss, -5. Like I said, you can challenge yourself with this. If this is kind of challenging, weak hand, strong hand, 2 hands, you can do the whole thing, 2 hands to start. All right, and after that, you can throw in some weak hand, some strong hand. You can do from the draw, from the ready. You can vary your distance. There's any numbers of drills you can do using this basic setup as your scoring rings. This is the soda can drill or energy bottle drink drill, if you were. I kind of like soda can drill because it's easy to remember. Stay safe, try it at the range, have fun. Have a good one.